Question 1. What is personal protective equipment? Answer. It is an equipment used to protect the person from hazards such dust, dirt, fumes and sparks etc. It is the barrier between hazard and person. Question 2. Do you know what is safety tag? Answer. Safety tag can be defined as a surface made of cardboard or paper board on which English local languages letters written for warning safety instructions to employees. Question 3. What is manual handling? Answer. The process of lifting, carrying and stacking materials by men is called manual handling. Question 4. What is safety policy? Answer. Any company has a social and legal obligation to provide a safe and health working environment to all his employees. Question 11. Tell us what is vehicle's mobile permit. Answer. The permit is required for taking any vehicle or mobile equipment having a diesel or petrol operated engine into hazardous area. Question 5. Explain me what is earthling. Answer. Earthling means connecting the natural point of the supply system to the general mass of the earth by line. Question 7. Tell me what is inspection. Answer. Inspection means to find out hazards according to checklist prepared with reference to the department operations by the people who are familiar with the plant. Question 8. What is gas cutting? Answer. The process of joining of cutting metals by using oxygen and combustible gas is called gas cutting. Question 9. What is forklift truck? Answer. Forklift truck are designed to handle heavy loads. Question 10. What is accident? Answer. It is an unexpected or unplanned event which may or may not result in injury or damage or property loss or death. Question 11. Do you know what is work permit system? Answer. Work permit system is a written documents for permission to undertake a job by area in charge, or it is written document issued by the area in charge to the performer to undertake the specific job.
Question 12. Tell me what is safety management. Answer. Safety management is an act and science of setting safety objectives of the industrial company.
Question 13. Explain how to control the chemical hazards. Answer. The chemical hazards are controlled by engineering method, administrative method and pay. Question 14. What is risk? Answer. Improbability of the realization of potential for loss or damage or injury. Question 15. What is housekeeping? Answer. Housekeeping means not only cleanness but also orderly arrangement of operations, tools, equipment, storage facilities and suppliers. Question 16. Tell me what is work at height. Answer. Any work above 2 meters from ground is called work at height. Question 17. Tell me what is delegated work permit. Answer. Delegated work permit used for areas requiring light control. X. Fabrication, yards valid 30 days. Question 18. Explain what are main provision in the Factory Act. Answer. Health, safety, welfare, hours of work, employment, person, occupational disease, special provision and penalties and procedures. Question 19. Explain what is ingestion. Answer. Entry of harmful materials through mouth is called ingestion. Question 20. Tell me what is respiration. Answer. The process of inhaling fresh air and exhaling to entering a confined place is called respiration.